Media literacy is a vital part of contemporary education. It involves creating messages using technology and questioning them. Think of media literacy as a remote control that you can use to analyze and evaluate messages. You can ask, what's accurate and believable? Who's making money from this message? What are the ethical values presented? What messages are implied and unstated? What's left out? What are they not telling me? And what's worth paying attention to? What's valuable? What do I like? With the media literacy remote control, you can check for stereotypes or examine when solutions presented are too easy. Critical thinking for the information age means creating messages yourself, asking questions, and helping people of all ages become effective communicators. That's media literacy.